Hello there! I just finished my take a shower, guys, and I'm feeling fresh tonight. And feeling fresh na naman ako, guys. And this is my outfit for today. And guys, taas kili-kili. Ayan, medyo nag-shape na nga po yung aking ano, guys. Kumiit na yung aking braso. Ayan, lumiit na yung aking ano, guys. Ayan. So, ayan po. Fresh na naman tayo, guys. And ayan, I'm going to drink my my Vita. Mag-drink muna ako ng Vita ko, guys. Ayan, para lagi tayong healthy, para laging healthy yung ating ayan katawan. So ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo, guys, and ngayon maglo-lotion tayo. Ayan, ito talaga yung daily routine ko, guys. After ko maligo, naglo-lotion ako. Naglo-lotion talaga ako, guys, after ko maligo. Ayan, kaya naman, ayan, para laging smooth yung ating skin, guys. Ayan, o diba? Yan, kunti-kunti lang lagay, guys, kasi andito lang tayo sa bahay. Nasa house lang tayo, guys, and tinitipid ko rin tong lotion ko, guys. Tipid-tipid muna tayo kasi wala pa akong pambili, guys. Ayan, ano pa tayo, ayan, naghihintay pa ako ng payout, guys. Medyo matagal yung payout natin. Ayan, monthly yung ating payout, guys, so kailangan nating magtipid para maabot yung ating makaabot yung aking payout, guys. Ayan. So, ito yung lotion na ginagamit ko, guys. Ayan. Maganda rin to sa skin, guys. Ayan. Hiyang ako dito. Ayan. Kaya naman, ito lagi yung lotion ko na binibili. Ayan. Buy one, take one na yung binili ko, guys. Isang malaki at saka isang maliit. Ayan. Ito, malapit na siyang maubos, guys. Ayan. Ito to. Ayan. Malapit na siyang maubos. So, meron pa tayong extra, yung malaki. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Ayan, tapos na yung aking paglo-lotion. Ayan. And this is my beauty. My simple outfit for today, guys. Ayan. May pambahay outfit. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo, guys. Ayan. Mainit yung ating panahon. Sobrang init ng ating panahon, guys. Kaya naman, ayan, dapat lagi tayong fresh. Lagi tayong naliligo. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. Ayan, I feel guys, I feel young na naman, I feel beautiful na naman, guys. Ayan, feeling maganda na naman ako, diba? Ayan. Ayan po, pack na pack yung aking pambahay outfit, guys. Ayan, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my videos, guys.